Welcome to the Royal Pavilion Estate, the restoration of the Royal Pavilion Garden. In the 1990s, this garden was restored to its original Regency splendour, following John Nash's as a whole. The restoration has returned the garden close to its original appearance, with serpentine paths weaving through its lawns, shrub beds in imitation of forest scenery. Creating a natural environment is central to Regency garden design, with unelged beds and the grass kept longer than in modern lawns. The planting continues an informal mixture of shrubs and herbaceous perennials, arranged according to Regency horticulural principles. Species and varieties have been selected to conform as closely as possible to the original list of plants supplied to King Gienrge IV for the Royal Pavilion. Today, the garden is a much-loved oasis of plants and wildlife in the centre of a busy city. It is cared for by a head gardener and a small team of volunteers